morning everyone, my name is Preeti Avadut. My topic name is digestive system. Digestive system is a group of organ working together uh, to absorb nutrient from food. We eat food passes through long tube. Digestion breakdown of large insoluble food molecule into water soluble molecule. Of digestion, mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. In mechanical digestion, physical breakdown, chewing, stomach churning. Chemical digestion, breakdown by enzyme and acid. Key digestive juices and enzyme. In key digestive juices, saliva, gastric juice, bile, pancreatic juice. In saliva has amylase, breaks starch into sugar. Gastric juice contain hydrochloric acid and pepsin, breaks protein. In bile from liver, breaks fat into smaller droplet. In emulsification, pancreatic juice has enzyme, amylase, lipase, trypsin for carbohydrate, fat and protein. Absorption of nutrient. In absorption of nutrient, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral. In carbohydrate, glucose absorbed into blood. In protein, amino acid absorbed into blood. In fat, fatty acid plus glycerol absorbed into lymph first, then blood. In vitamin and mineral absorbed at different parts of intestine. Length and time: small intestine 6 meter long, large intestine 1.5 meter long. Food takes about 24 to 72 hours to pass completely through the digestive system. Common disorder in digestive system: acid reflux or GERD, stomach acid flow back to esophagus. Second, ulcer, sore in stomach lining. Third, constipation, difficulty passing stool. Diarrhea to little water absorbed. Lactose intolerance, body cannot digest lactose, milk sugar. Into the blood, absorbed into the blood. Function: to achieve the providing energy and nutrient to the body. Ingestion: food is taken into the body, they act as eating. Second, digestion: food is broken down both physically and chemically. Third, absorption: digestive food products are absorbed into bloodstream and transported to cells. Assimilation: digested food products are converted into bloodstream and solid part of the cell or tissue. Elimination: undigested food residue are eliminated from the body. In organ system, external opening, mouth to anus. The 8th part of digestive system: mouth, second pharynx, third esophagus, fourth stomach, small intestine, mouth cavity, tongue. Tongue gives food taste. Also palate. Above the tongue, separate air and food cavity. Fourth, saliva, amylase, breakdown of carbohydrate. Second part, pharynx, passage of air, water and food. Fourth, esophagus also known as food pipe, taking food mouth to stomach. Involuntary rhythmic contraction of muscle, that's why food reach stomach from mouth. Fifth, stomach, secretion of HCl, peptin, mucus, intrinsic factor. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular sac. HCl, digestion of food, pepsin, breakdown of protein, intrinsic factor, absorption of vitamin B12, mucus, prevention of acid damage. Small intestine. In small intestine, absorption of component glucose, glycerol, fatty acid, amino acid, nucleotide. In small intestine, duodenum, act as digestion or absorption from villi and microvilli. In jejunum, absorption for villi or microvilli. Ileum, sending food or absorption to large intestine. Ileum, the ileum is approximately 3 meter long. 6-part large intestine. Function, reabsorption of food and electrolyte. Electrolytes are sodium, chloride, iron, magnesium. In small intestine, caesium, colon consists 4 parts: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. 7-part rectum, measure from 1 to 1.6 inch. Left over waste collector, collect the white fat is anus, excretion waste. Thank you.